guys.
What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So y'all, on this one, I did paint the board black, but you guys can see on the board, we're just doing outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. Figured it might be easier if you see it from the back, because black pipe cleaners on the black front not really going to be your friend. Tonight for our mesh, I'm going to use all scraps. All right, so we're going to take our 10-inch mesh. All right, and we're going to do our POOFS around the inside. Get this tied off. All right. I'm going to do about a 10-inch poof all the way just on the inside pipe cleaners. All right, so 10-inch mesh, 10-inch proofs around the inside. So on the inside, it's every other hole. So let's cut our burlap first and see what we have. So ideally, we would get 8 pieces, right? 4 at 30, 4 at 20. So we're gonna take our mesh and we're gonna cut a 20, then we're gonna cut a 30, then we're gonna cut a 20, then we're gonna cut a 30. Y'all, we're doing this at least this way. We'll have the same amount. All right, so we got lucky. We had 3 of each. Now we're gonna need 5 20-inch and 5 30-inch of the light blue, almost denim color. So now we're gonna get our board back out and we're gonna do 2 blue ones. So we've got our 30-inch cut. We're going to curl both sides. Then we're gonna ruffle it. And then you're gonna add this ruffle into one of the pipe cleaners on the outside. So I'm gonna do 2 blue, then a burlap. Because it's 8, we are gonna have a random place where it's gonna be funky. Then we'll do 2 more blue. All right, so we have 3 left, y'all, and we've got 2 burlaps and a blue. So in this one, we're just going to make it work. Now we're going to do the inside. So on the inside, we have 8 pipe cleaners. We're going to go right into where we put our poofs, and we're going to add a 20-inch ruffle. All right, so same curl, ruffle. I'm going to use this fun little fall sign. So you have 2 options to attach your metal sign. So you've got mounting squares, or you can get a metal hole punch. We have both at DecoExchange. And the metal hole punch just pokes a little hole right in the corners, and then you can wire it in. All right, let's get this guy added in here. Y'all, right now, all I'm doing is getting the pipe cleaner, potentially, attached to the sign. All right, so all I'm doing is running that pipe cleaner through the holes that are on the board. All right. Yo, we're gonna take our bow from last night that we made. All right, we're gonna get this added right over here. Y'all, just looking for another hole to add our pipe cleaner through. So same thing we did with our sign. All we did was locate holes that were already in the board, ran our pipe cleaners right through it, and tightened it up. Y'all, I think I'm only gonna use these 2 for our tails. So we're gonna need 8 tails for the outside board. That's just how many ties we have on there. We got our ribbon tail board. So let's cut our 8 at 13 inches. So we're gonna add 1 of each of these all the way around. All right. Fold it up, pinch it off. And then we're gonna add 1 of these all the way around the outside. All right, so we're just adding this to the same place we added the ruffle. All right, so when we're looking at it, we need to get a ribbon tail right here in this area, and we need to get 1 down there in that area. I think it needs just a little bit of raffia in some of the other places. We're going to cut them about 12 inches. All right, so I'm going to put a little bit of raffia in every other piece. Just to kind of bring it all around. Once I add the raffia, I am going to trim out the pipe cleaners in this one. So in this wreath, we used pipe cleaners and nothing else. So they got to be trimmed out. So just enough raffia. Just enough raffia to make the whole wreath have the same look as the bow. Y'all, I'm gonna just connect a few of these little pipe cleaners back together. So on the back, they have what's called hanging holes right here. And you just add your pipe cleaner right to it. All right, we do have to do a little bit of cleanup on the back, but you can see that it's hanging now. And all we're gonna do is trim down these pipe cleaners. Well, so I'm gonna first stick them into another hole on the wreath so that they're just hidden. Y'all, so what I don't want to do is cut this too short and then have a pointed pipe cleaner on the back. So if I can tuck those tips back through the hole, you can't see them on the front. It just protects the door. Y'all, that's it for tonight. Good night, y'all.